This is Homelink 9-6, Arrays and Factors for 3rd grade everyday math. Discuss with your child all the ways to arrange 18 chairs in equal rows. Then help your child use this information to list the factors of 18, pairs of numbers whose product is 18. Work with someone at home. The 3rd grade class is putting on a play. Children have invited 18 people. Gilda and Harvey are in charge of arranging the 18 chairs. They want to arrange them in rows with the same number of chairs in each row, with no chairs left over. Alright, so we have to answer yes or no if they can arrange the chairs in these number of rows based on how many chairs they have. So if they have one row, they would have 18 chairs in the row. It would just be one row across of 18 chairs. The answer is yes. Okay, next, 2 rows. The answer is yes. They would have 9 chairs in one row and then 9 chairs in another row. Could they do 3 rows? Yes, they could do 3 rows. They would have 6 chairs in each row. They'd have one row of 6, another row of 6, and a third row of 6. These would all equal 18. Can they do 4 rows? No, they can't, because they would have extra chairs left over. Can they do 5 rows? No. Again, they just have extra chairs left over. 6 rows? Can they do 6 rows? They can do 6 rows, and they would have 3 chairs in each row. So you might start to notice a pattern here between the ones we've already said that we could do, because 3 rows with 6 chairs or 6 rows with 3 chairs, it's going to either way equal 18 chairs. 7 rows? No. 8 rows? No. 9 rows? Yes. They can do 9 rows, and then they'd have to just have 2 chairs in each row. So it'd be like 2 chairs side by side in a long line. It would look kind of like a train. 10 rows? No. 18 rows? Well, they could certainly do 18 rows, but it would just be one chair in each row, so that would really look like a train. Alright, and so these, you don't have to write anything for these ones. Now, if we look at this, it says list all the factors of the number 18. And the hint is 18 has exactly 6 factors. And remember, a factor is a number that is multiplied with another number to get a product, and the product is 18. So to make 18, we could do 18 times 1, we could do 9 times 2, and we could do 6 times 3. All of those would equal 18. Now, how does knowing all the ways to arrange 18 chairs in equal rows help you find the factors of 18? Well, look, the factors of 18 are what make the equal rows. So if you can figure out how to put them in equal rows, it's essentially like making an array, which we worked with before, and you can see how many would be in each row and how many would be in each column. And that's how you can find the factors, because however many would fit in each row and each column is going to equal a product of 18. So that's how you can do it. So this is Homelink 9.6, Arrays and Factors for grade 3 everyday math.